Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger video call background not working. First, you need to allow access to the camera. To do so, go to Settings, tap on Apps. Next, you should find Facebook Messenger. Then, go to Permission. Now, turn on the camera. If your device does not allow Facebook Messenger to access the camera, your camera driver will not work when you run Facebook Messenger. So, a video call will not work. Second option, allow access to the microphone. On Android, in the permission, turn on the microphone until it turns green. After you allow Facebook Messenger to access the camera, you must also allow access to the microphone. This allows the application to make a video call. The third option, check the network connection. On Android, go to Settings, tap on General Management, and then go to Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm Reset Settings. Then, enter the PIN, code, password, fingerprint, or pattern. Tap Reset Settings again to confirm. If the Facebook video call fails to connect, it may be due to the network problems. To troubleshoot network problems on your device, follow these steps. You might want to switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi first to see if there is something wrong with the network. It would be helpful to connect to a different Wi-Fi if possible. You could try resetting the network settings. And the fourth option, sign in to Facebook Messenger again. On Android, you have to log out of the app. There are no logout buttons on Facebook Messenger, so we have to go to Settings, tap on Apps, select Facebook Messenger, then tap Delete Data or Uninstall. You can then log out of the app. Then, you need to go to Home Screen and tap the Messenger icon to log in again. If the Facebook Messenger video call still does not work on your device, you can continue with this method. And the fifth option, check for updates and reinstall Messenger. You can first go to Settings or go to Play Store and then search for Messenger. You need to update it or uninstall or install the Messenger first. The latest version of Facebook Messenger usually includes new features and fixes for known bugs. So, installing the latest Facebook Messenger could be very helpful in not fixing the video calling problem. Here's how to fix Messenger video call problems with ease by simply tweaking the Facebook Messenger video call settings. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.